Hey guys, today I will share you my special recipe for Christmas, the foie gras liver. Check the ingredients and let's go. So you take the deveined liver and then I need to crush the pepper, add the sugar, add the el-hanout, salt and nutmeg and yes, 1 glass for my liver and you need to pour another one for the other liver for sure. Alright, so you mix all the spice together and then you're gonna sprinkle the livers on both sides. Every piece of liver like this, yeah, very nice. And then you turn it again and you finish with the cognac. Okay, next step is to take a plastic wrap and you try to build a very nice log with a minimum of air inside. And yeah, I do multiple layer to be safe because it will be cooking in boiling water. Okay, looks safe like this. Okay, so you have the boiling water, you turn it off and then you place the liver inside and some weight to make sure it's fully covered for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, only 10 minutes, you put in iced water and as well some weight on it just to cover. I wait 24 hours in the fridge to be very sure. It looks so good in infused and it is good. Yeah, so you can serve with toasted brioche or bread or any kind of toast and bread you like and a jam and it's just perfect. Merry Christmas.